A voice message for Anne Frank from her soul sister Khaleela. Anne Frank, Khaleela I am, going on 16. I too tried to journal my thoughts. I had even inked several pages. Many a tale I had recollected, of bombs exploding and walls crumbling, infants in mothers' bosoms disembowelling, fathers without words their sons burying, using burnt clothes to get the melon flag waving, starving for days, getting morsels to feast. Tales of braving darkness, singing dirges in lieu of lamps, tales of displacement, finding shelter in lifeless camps. But dear Anne, the fire-breathing skies some pages flamed, some in my baby brother's blood irreversibly stained. Some pages I used to stop Baba's blood as it splattered. The blood did not stop, nor my pages mattered. One day as I ran in terror, the remaining few scattered. Then one night, under the phone light, when doctors amputated my hands infected, were wings of my desire at the same time dissected. The next day when I saw stumps where hands used to be, my eyes fell upon a pen on the table, and I wept endlessly. Anne, my soul sister, you hear the roaring of planes, don't you? My first voice message shall likely be my last to you.